Rick with the best of everything. Let's take a look at the Pohaku chef knife. Pohaku 8-inch professional multi-purpose kitchen knife, Japanese high carbon stainless steel with ergonomics, handle, ultra sharp, wear resistant, anti-corrosion. From Pohaku. Well, this is pretty slick. This comes in a nice little presentation box, which of course is good for between use storage of the Pohaku. By the way, Pohaku, that's Hawaiian for stone. Ooh, that is nice. Stainless steel tang, butt plate. It's polished very nicely. Look at a solid feel. This is made from 7Cr17MOV stainless steel. That basically means this is made from good stuff. Of course, the chromium element, 17%, is what makes the steel stainless. The CR17 alloy. This has a 0.17% component of molybdimum and a 0.17% component of vanadium. The 7Cr17 alloy is forged in a high-tech factory, laser monitored to ensure it maintains proper temperatures. Very nice. Well, let's give the Pohaku chef knife. Actually, you can see that's a slight variant from chef. Of course, the chef would have the heel straight through to the butt for your chopping. This carries a curve on it where it kind of blends with a slicing. Very nice. It's light, has a good balance to it. You don't want to drop that, cut the hell out of me. Well, let's go take a look at it. Meet me out in Nutritional Laboratory 13. But first, why don't you subscribe my channel? I need 1,000 subscribers. It'll only take a moment. Oh, hi, glad you made it out to Nutritional Laboratory 13, Nut Lab 13. So, we were looking at a Pohaku stainless chef's knife. Let's give it a whirl. This is the Ubi experience, out of box experience. Oh, it just went through that so slick and easy. Be real careful, I don't want to lose any fingers here. So I mentioned Pohaku is Hawaiian for stone. I think I did. Let's see. Get a nice cut. Make potato chips. The slice on this is just virtually effortless. So we go through this russet potato. Oh, I don't like that piece. Very nice. That is just damn scary sharp out of the box. Shot of water to dust it off. The 7Cr17, that is equivalent to AUS 6 in that category. The Vanadium element addition in the MOV process gives it a little bit higher edge sustainability. Blood all over the place. Okay, now we'll do some meat. I like the shape on that blade. It works well with a small mat. Skillet. I just almost took a finger. Okay, we're ready to pan fry these steak strips into semi-fajitas. And the cutting is just phenomenally easy. This high chromium carbon steel. Other blade manufacturers popular, Buck and Gerber, theirs is equivalent to a 440 also. This one has higher vanadium and a little bit less carbon. This is a 440A. That makes for a hard edge that's easier to strop a fine hone on. And the vanadium of the MOV process gives it a higher advantage to maintaining that damn sharp edge. So we'll just prepare ourselves to make beef stroganoff. And it's simple, just darn simple and easy with this Pohaku knife. I like that. Solid grip. You can see my hands are now wet and bloody, and it has a solid, it's not slippery at all on that burlwood handle. Our tang is part of the forged blade, solid butt cap, also appears to be the same color, so I am going to guess that that is also part of the stainless steel. That is a good knife. Very nice. From Pohaku, get one, I did. And I am darn happy about it. Before you get away, please subscribe. I need 1,000 subscribers. Of course, we have room for more, but we would sure like your subscription.